Okay, here we go. First, I want to say hello, Vern. I appreciate you taking the time to watch the video. And again, my name is Jeff, and my company is Belanger Solutions. And the point of the video is to show you how to increase the value of your company. Three key factors that are needed to rank your business on Google and increase your exposure. You got content, backlinks, and citations. Now, I know you understand every time you type something into here, you're actually typing keywords into Google, and Google uses those keywords to look for what you're asking from a website that best fits your search for those words you just typed. I know, right? It's called search engine optimization. And Google crawls millions and millions of websites daily, and they look for content relevant to the keywords that get typed in the search. And then Google categorizes these websites based on their content. This is how you establish rank. Now you want 1,500 to 2,000 keywords on your site, depending on your competition and the number of keywords that are needed. Backlinks. Backlink is where one website links to another. It's like an endorsement for your website, and Google uses that to build trust. Also, citations or referring domains is anywhere your business name, address, and phone number are shown, exactly as your Google business profile. If you don't have a Google business profile, I'd highly recommend that you build one. It directly connects your business to citations and helps you rank in the map. It's extremely important to be seen in the map. I mean, everybody, or how many times have you typed, food near me, gas near me, Costco, or whatever the case may be? It comes up on the map. And citations is what helps rank that. And that directories for citations are Yelp, Angie, Better Business Bureau, Yellow Pages. So once Google sees your business being referenced more than the other competitors, the more likely you are to start to begin to bring value to your business and move up the rank structure. Everything underneath the map is the organic rank structure. And you have auto repair experts, you have auto repair services, you have Yelp, that's an advertisement. This is Find a Mechanic, that's an advertisement. So I wanted to show you an example. I typed in auto repair Goose Creek, and I know that you have this website, but you're not on the first page. And I have a tool. It's called Ahrefs, and the tool, when I type in your website, shows me how strong your website is. You have 3 referring backlinks. You have 3 referring domains and 4 keywords. Content and keywords are important to get yourself exposure. Now, on the other hand, when I typed in auto experts, this comes to their website. I put their website into the same tool, and this is why they're on the first page of Google. They have 36 backlinks, 12 referring domains, and organic keywords that are bringing them roughly 40-ish people of traffic per month to their site. Just to get an example of what kind of keywords they may not be using. And this would be the volume per month that these words are searched. Auto repair experts, Goose Creek Auto Repair, Goose Creek Auto Repair, Goose Creek, 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, 100 here, oil changes, auto care experts. So depending on what kind of auto repairer near me, not quite sure if I don't think that's spelled right, but auto repair near me, here we go, 700. So just an idea, this is the exposure that you're missing out on without the right content and the keywords built into your website. Excuse me. And then anything referring domains, as soon as we stop clicking here, slow. Name, address, and phone number, of course. These are all citations, and these are all directories, local Yahoo, and these are all obtainable to you. Not all directories, citations, and backlinks are built equal. So you really want to focus on the ones that have a strong domain ranking. This creates a strong background for you, and it'll help increase the trustworthy that Google will build into your business and help you rank up on the first page. So with that being said, getting more exposure, that'll really help you out. Once your content and backlinks and your citations all come together, because nobody really goes past the first page of Google. then you start to outrank or build trust with Google, and they can see that you're somebody that's that they can double check. It creates credibility. You'll start to move up. You'll be on the first page. You'll have more exposure, more people looking at you, and increased traffic. So I hope that, this being said, I wanted to thank you for your time. You maybe have a better understanding of how important a well-built website is and the value that it could bring to your company. If you find yourself wanting more information, I mean, we could talk. I could do some research and find out exactly what would be realistic for you and your business. And with that being said, I want to thank you for taking the time today and have a great day.